Here we come to the freight elevator at the Winship Drama Theater Arts Building at UT Austin, Texas. Look at this interesting configuration. I wonder, I mean, before we go in, look at this. We got the big size automatic doors and you got the regular manual doors over there. Which one should I choose? Should I, you know what? Let's get in this one. And there's, it used to say quack, quack, but now it says quack. All right, let's get on the B. This used to be an Otis, and it got modernized by Tejas. 2, it's locked. Let's go to 1. We're gonna go ahead and close this door, and I think I'm gonna get off on that side. How tall this thing is. Actually, I realized that you can see up there, so actually, I didn't realize that you can see up there, so we'll go ahead and take for one more ride, and then we're gonna get out of here because I gotta leave soon. Look at this view. Oh, there goes the counterweight right there. Yep. There's the counterweight right there. There's no door stop on this one. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and end the video at 1. This will be the last elevator I'm gonna film here on this campus because I gotta get going real soon. I really have to get going, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the UT Austin videos, especially the freight elevators. I did not film any of the passenger elevators because a lot of them are nothing really that exciting. So we're gonna go ahead and get off on this side here. Quack, quack. Well, Ducky, if you don't mind, I'm sorry for pulling your beak, but you don't mind if I pull this beak up. I'm sorry if I have to pull your beak, Ducky, but I have to open this door. So bear with me, please. I'm sorry. You'll be free soon. Don't worry. All right, let's get off here. There goes that door right there. Just one last cab view. All right, let's close this thing up. Try not to slam it. These doors are a lot lighter, too. All right, there it goes. And that's it.